Wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakli, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received India's first homegrown semiconductor chips at the opening of the Semicon India 2025 conference in New Delhi yesterday, marking rapid progress in the nation's semiconductor mission, according to a government press release. Multiple MOUs were signed at the meet to boost manufacturing skills and innovation, according to the release. The government's push includes talent development, global partnerships, and deep tech investment, positioning India as a future global leader in semiconductors. Meanwhile, 8 leading venture capital firms from the US and India have launched a $1 billion alliance to support India's deep tech startups, pledging long-term capital and mentorship, according to multiple reports. The coalition will work with the Indian government to leverage new incentives, boost innovation, and strengthen cross-border tech ties despite ongoing geopolitical tensions, according to these reports. Called the India Deep Tech Investment Alliance, the group brings together Celesta Capital, Axel, Bloom Ventures, Gaja Capital, Idea Spring Capital, Premji Invest, Tenacity Ventures, and Venture Catalysts, TechCrunch reports, citing a joint statement from the firms. Each member will commit private capital over a 5 to 10 year period to India-domiciled deep tech startups, according to TechCrunch. WisdomTree, a New York-based global asset manager, has launched a quantum computing UCITS ETF as quantum information processing approaches commercial viability, according to multiple reports. The ETF, or exchange-traded fund, allows investors broad access to quantum hardware and software leaders, focusing on sectors like drug discovery, climate science, and AI. WisdomTree asserts that with exponential advances in quantum technologies, the fund enables early participation in what may soon be one of the most transformative technological frontiers. UCITS stands for the EU's Undertakings for Collective Investment in Transferable Securities regulatory framework. Meanwhile, the University of Illinois scientists have created a modular quantum processor design in which devices can connect via superconducting cables and achieve about 99% operation fidelity, SciTech Daily reports. This architecture enables scalability, easier upgrades, and reconfigurability, overcoming limits of monolithic designs and paving the way for larger, fault-tolerant quantum computers and advanced quantum networks. Pharmaceutical companies are rapidly adopting AI for drug discovery and safety testing, aligning with the US FDA's initiative to reduce animal testing, Reuters reports. Experts say combining AI and reduced animal testing could halve both costs and timelines within 3 to 5 years, though animal studies will likely remain necessary for some drugs in the near term. Researchers at MIT have created a battery electrolyte that self-assembles and quickly dissolves in common organic liquids, allowing entire batteries to be taken apart for recycling, according to a news post on the institute's website. Tested in solid-state cells, the material simplifies sorting of battery components and could make recycling easier and cleaner, addressing future electronic waste from the rise of electric vehicles. Elon Musk recently stated that Tesla's future value will depend far more on its Optimus humanoid robots than on its electric cars, predicting that up to 80% of Tesla's worth will derive from Optimus, CNBC reports. The company's new strategy focuses on robotics and AI, with plans to produce 5,000 Optimus units in 2025 and target a $20,000 to $30,000 price point. Musk envisions Optimus becoming core to Tesla's operations and the global robotics market, despite continuing technical and adoption challenges. To end today's brief, one more warning from scientists. A new study finds that 60% of the world's land is beyond safe biosphere boundaries due to expanding human use of biomass, SciTech Daily reports. The research tracks changes since the year 1600, showing Europe, Asia, and North America are most affected. Scientists urge global action as ecological disruption, land conversion, and declining photosynthetic activity raise risks for planetary stability. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with founders, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, please listen to my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. To support my work, please subscribe to my posts at indiatechreport.in if you'd like to get all these in one place. I'm Hari Arakli. Thank you for listening.